Hello, hello, hello. I don't know if I'm live. Um, what do I have? Xcali. No. Am I live? Uh, okay, okay. Super. Let me change this. Is it there? Uh, needs the- How do I know? Oh, why is everything black? How do I? Oh, yes. Also, looks like obvious cookie bad. Okay. Then what is this then? Okay, super. Okay. Right. Okay, amazing. Uh, maybe I should have done all this before. Cool. Okay. We are doing uh some stuff today, and I don't know exactly what are we doing, but we'll see. What did I need to generate? So it's been a while. I think been quite a while. I don't know when did I last do string. Yeah, it's been a while. So I don't know. I think there is stuff going on. Work, life, whatever. I don't know. I think the last few months I've been quite busy since maybe January, and I've been feeling great also. So I felt why not do some recreational. Actually, I wanted to do this last week, but I didn't get any time. So then uh, today I don't know. I think it's so hot in Bangalore, and that's why I just couldn't motivate myself to sit for like 2 3 hours and do something. Uh, so here we are. Uh, Let me I don't know if my audio is going in though. I haven't checked. Hopefully it's there. And I don't know, like there are a few dogs outside as well. So if their noise is coming or not, that also I need to see. But anyways, I'm guessing from OBS it looks fine. That should be fine. Okay, so basically that's it. I saw some YouTube video where some fellow was building a chess game, and it just I felt like I think I'm not the best chess player, but I guess uh, maybe I should do something right. I don't know. Recreational programming is very uh, is very, I mean, it depends on who thinks of what as recreational stuff. So that depends. But I guess I thought like why not try this? I've actually never done a game before, and I feel this is way more complicated than we think. I mean, at least doing stuff this, right? So I mean, chess as a game is difficult, and also it's very difficult to make the all the logic and all the rules work. So I think it would be a very good exercise, just mental exercise. So I don't know if the video stream is fine or not. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Uh, so we have what eight I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I mean this is my plan, or at least that's what I have thought till now. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rearrange a little bit. But this is also a little hypnotic. It feels like that. So just eliminate it. I rotate. I rotate this. Up, up, up. Right. I rotate. Okay, amazing. Super. So basically this is our board, and I have been thinking about I think drawing a board would be easy, because what I'm going to do is it's just Gleam that goes onto the browser, so Gleam will compile to JS. Should be fine. What I've been thinking is, because we always have like a number, right? 7, we have 6. Just put it first. 7, 2, 7, 3. Right? And then we have ABCD, EFGS, and whatever. So what I'm thinking is we'll draw the board first, because I guess that's the easiest part in this entire for sure. So I think they should add some mathematical rendering logic to Xfilter, like you can clone and then add like rows and stuff, right? Okay, perfect. So what I've been thinking is drawing. We can draw the board, and every board has an ID. Sorry, every cell has an ID, which is basically combination from X to Y. I think it's very easy to say, if like reason about it, if you just say it's like XY code. So this will be 8A, this will be 8H, and stuff like that. So what will happen after that is we put all the, like initially what we'll do, we'll draw no distinction between all the pieces. We'll just assume they just move, right? So like every piece just moves. So can't I copy this image? Wouldn't that be like, hey, why it improves? Yeah. So what we'll initially do is we'll think of this as all of them as the same pieces. That way it becomes very easy to reason about these, right? We can move and do stuff easily. I mean, first we figure out the board, and then we figure out how do we plot. I mean, put all the pieces. Let's say all of them are same on the board, and then we'll just figure out how do we move them at least one step ahead, right? So what I've been thinking we can do is every time, like we will set some ground rules first. So no drag, and only what is it set? Which is music. What should I do? There is some instrumental stuff I was listening to. I don't know how it's. Yeah, super. So where I was? Yeah. So what I was thinking is we'll just don't support any drag drop. Way to move is right. So you click, it shows where and all it can go, and we let it move. Uh, that's all the boundaries. Yeah, I think that's it. And the logic that I've been thinking is basically uh, for a piece. So for a piece, we can. This is what I've been thinking is where it is right now, and where it can next. So how we can do is, I mean, do this is basically the state of every piece we can keep it centralized, because if you think about it, every time anything moves here, the entire calculation has to be redone, right? So what I've been thinking is basically what we can do. Uh, every time there is a movement in piece, we just pre-calculate all the possibilities of every piece on the board, right? And then keep it there. We can do that, or we can do it when someone clicks on a piece. That's some sort of it. But we'll think about that. Then what is some sort of recreational? Uh, yeah, I guess we can start from here, and then let's see. Then of course there will be like something like piece identity, right? Like it's like uh say knight, or like bishop, uh, um, or what else we have? King, queen. I guess that's it. Yeah. So that will be there later, but initially I think drawing the board itself will probably, I don't know how much time it will take, so we'll figure that out. So because it's been a while, let's say last Reddit. Uh, I don't know like what and all has changed in Gleam, because the language itself moves so fast. Okay. Oh, just some annotation. I think I read through this. Oh yeah, this game now. I forgot. It's pretty cool. This. Okay. Anyway, so we have this, and then we go. Maybe I should have. Uh, so we have check income. What was the name? Yeah. So we'll just call it chess. Wait. Let me see if this compiles. Amazing. Okay, super. So now need to make it compile for JS if I'm not wrong. That you can do with tab. Okay, I guess this was the command. Uh, yeah, yeah, perfect. Oh, what is all this? Okay, amazing. So we have that. And I think we need to uh, make it render somewhere, I guess. I don't know how would that work. So we have dev, just where is the entry? Is it like, huh? Okay, cool, perfect. So just need one. Okay, I don't think that. Where is the, maybe see if I can set up bio here quickly. Amazing. It's called, yeah. Oh, why is it not working? Why is it just a server? Spec. Okay. Let's go. Oops, I didn't take. Oh, configuration doesn't matter. Something. I guess my amazing packages. I knew this is a content. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to get updated. Why does it take so much time though? Ah, okay. I don't know what's happening. Uh, why is it not formatting? Content is. But why? Uh, I believe it was some experimental something like this. I forgot. Okay. I didn't realize I'll stumble upon this kind of so early. That is so sad. Uh, I don't know. How do I learn this? There's some experimental something. Definitely remember. Uh, yup. Uh, still look at it. Okay. What is that? Okay. I actually forgot how does. Oh, it's 5. Oh my god. Why are you people like this? What am I doing wrong? Why is it not working? Uh, okay. I like how I literally started and nothing is working. Amazing. Sure. I think I know the one. It's probably this is the one. Oh, wait, chuck it. I don't think spending more time here is. I need a script. Show something. Build. Dev. JavaScript. Just. Oh. What is happening? So this tree sector is behaving kind of sus. Okay, now we need to put this. So maybe I can actually swap it. Does this work? Oh, uh, actually, maybe doing this is. Oh my god, what is happening? Is it reset issue? Where did the end of script go? Okay, sure. Hopefully, not ongoing. Oh, uh, why is this happening? Is it because of the directory? Uh, I remember there are some. It's amazing how I'm getting stuck at stupid shit instead of like doing something proper. I guess. And let's just move it back. Just sort of thing and get out of this. This is my reset error. What is this problem? Then where is my highlight? Okay, then. Super. Lead I was actually in spirit of writing code, which I think is clearly not going the way I wanted. Also, I believe there is uh, some statics are for yep, this is exactly what I need. Uh, uh, is this better? Okay, super. I think I don't know what is this. I do this way. Then we can do one run. Run on. I think so. Take a second. Or does it port? Super. Oh, oh. It's amazing how uh, the actual stuff is easy and this is hard. Amazing. Very cool. Alright. Oh my god. Why is this happening now? Oh, super. Amazing. So if I edit and Gleam compiles, that should do. Uh, 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 oh, Gleam chess. Yeah. So basically, I need to import uh, main from chess and then call it here, I guess, right? So, oh my God, just stop. I'm breaking you. So, wait, I think it was type module, right? Import from build main. What this means? Hey, this is the syntax now. What is the syntax then? Script time. I like how I am struggling with all stupid. Is that Indian? I forgot how do you import again? I have images there. Then why is it screaming at me? Script time model. Yeah. So, oh, uh, oh. But why is this not found? It seems root, no? Is it like some different config? Hot route reloading. I don't know what is all this. Export to forward is something different. Changing port, configuring a port. I think we just need to let it serve static stuff. That's not do the job. Where? Just different. Dynamic blocking. Somewhere. Where is assets? Count. Okay. Hmm. I don't know why can't I import this. Oh, where is the... I'm damn sure there is a way we can solve for folder. I'm going to cry. See, I'm completely forgotten. Uh, Now that I think about it, it's probably would be easy if I don't do this. What I mean by that is maybe we use there is something called uh, so what am I going to talk to? Okay, is it this? Hmm. Not this one. Uh, Not this one. This one. Yes. Okay, but we'll just quickly circle back. Uh, District clerk, of course. District clerk, of course. Uh, into this one, create. I can do level up. I hope it doesn't overrate something. It's crazy. Package has some stuff. TS config called overridden. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, it just merged everything. Amazing. Sure. I don't know what is happening here, but just say format everything. And right, that's fine. Let me install this. And we go here. What? Why these people? Oh my god. Uh, I think this is what we call uh, configuration hell, I guess. Like it's very apt. Uh, this is stupid, no? Like why you have two configuration for the same thing? Well, let's see if this works. Amazing. Got something to work. Yeah. Start importing from Gleam. Sure. Okay. We have mail. Oh my god. What is this? From I guess it's in the same directory. Does it work? Oh wow, insane. Okay, cool. Some progress finally. Oh, insane. Uh, so we have the app somewhere, I guess. Yeah, perfect. So all we need now is basically because we have to do the mapping. I guess I can do that in TypeScript. Let me quickly do. So technically we don't need main anymore. So that's fine. We'll do X is. So what and all is there next? This is A B C D. A B C D E F. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and we have y axis. And what we need to do is const dollar equals to and we'll do I'm guessing that's the selector. Amazing. Okay, so we need to do two loops and draw. No, wait, we don't need no. Or do we? Oh yeah, we need. Okay, so what we'll do. Refer. What is the function HR? Uh, uh, just implement a stupid uh, React. It's not even React. It's just some stupid version of saying it's React, but it's not. Wrapper is actually first we need to build all the cells, right? So that would be what does this will return? I guess it should be HTML element. So that would be element, and we will run on the outer loop for const. It's like this, right? So for everything, every item on the x-axis, we need to loop over the y-axis and push. Right? Y-axis, that would be cell stuck push. This is correct. I don't think that's the children. I think we need an ID, and the ID is going to be, let's do something like uh, and let's see what this fellow does. Okay, perfect. We have A1, A2, A1 now. Okay, this is all vertical, I guess. Oh, no, wait. So the iteration is going to be, how do we group it then? I think there is some some traversal logic we need to think. So first is we loop over the x-axis, right? Then we need to, so x-axis we have ABCD something. And for every item there, how do we dump it in here? So right now it's doing top to bottom. How we need to do the loop is we need to start on the so we need to start the loop here, right? Then so it will be a yeah, I got it. So we need to start the loop from y. Let's revisit this. For const to y. So, right? So from y we need to loop, and for every element in y we need to draw all the x. So that would be x of x, and here we need to do case. Let's see. So that should do. Oh, that we need to reverse. Okay. Oh. Reverse. Oh. So now it will be 8A, 8B. Oh. Okay. Oh, it should be x. So it will be perfect. This is perfect. So now we can just do oops. And then you have to add. Let's see if It injected everything. Amazing, perfect. And that will just need some CSS. So wrapper is going to be display grid. We do gap is also that's okay. We have to do create template colors. And I need to add a class. Where is the and then cell every cell let's do like width let's do like 40 pixel and height that has to be amazing. Okay. Oh, why what this should be uh, actually we don't need oh, eh, I like how I always struggle with CSS no matter what happens. Okay, amazing, super. So now we need to give them a color. I don't know how do we do alternate. We can do nth child now. Cell what is it? How do you do odd even I forgot. Uh, CSS oh yeah, this yes, this is perfect. Uh, what is happening to LSP2? This work? Oh wow, super. Oh, that I think should also change now. So, so every uh, even so, which means that every cell also, I mean, every row also needs a wrap. Okay, we'll figure that out. So I guess that would be close. And then, so now first is inside a row. So every wait, how does the chessboard look again? I forgot. Uh, oh, it's all diagonally same color, right? Ah, perfect. So now I just need to flip it here. And again, we need to do uh, oh wow, super amazing. At least the board looks okay to me. How do we put like, let me see if I can get like I don't know, like how do we get a, is that like okay also? Yeah. Uh, and instead of green, and I think I need to put a border around that. Okay, amazing. That works, I guess. And it's let's column center. And let's do height is oh oops, super. We can do 100%. Amazing, perfect. We have this. Okay, super. So this is rendering at least. I think we need to make it maybe a little bigger. I think 40 is too small. Uh, 640. Yeah, perfect. Okay, this looks okay to me. One thing that is sad is I think maybe I should have written all of this in Gleam, which I don't think I should. I may do both, and I'll just port everything here too. I think the render functions we can keep it there, and the graph we can return back to browser, and let's see how that behaves. So pub function for I don't think we can do render, but we can say compute. Uh, we need some gymnastics for type. So for const x. So in Gleam, constants cannot have eval. Let's start. Oh yeah, I forgot. In Gleam also, this is lowercase. Uh, so here, I think we can do like uh, a. Let's see. Yeah, Gleam doesn't support that. Maybe just a 7 notifications. And then here, what we can do. So Gleam doesn't have loop also. So what we need to do is we need to loop slide differently. So that would be list reduce. So we need to reduce over y axis function. Oh, what happened to dogs? Hey, oh, activity is impossible. I guess this is. Oh, okay. So we need to return the rows, right? So which means it will be a 2D array. Uh, I believe this takes a first parameter now. Doesn't reduce take a first parameter also? With I actually forgot all the methods. What is it called? Not that. Oh. So now, what we need to return is uh, uh, how do we make the h function work inside? The problem is the transformation from back and forth will be complicated. I guess we can keep lo- uh, the renderer functions here. Maybe hello. Uh, what was the file again? Board. Board. Uh, yeah, yeah. So that would be compute. Yeah. Sometimes all this gets very traumatizing. That would be. I guess we can keep rows is compute board. I remember there is a way to generate types. Let me see if I can figure that out. Yeah, target JavaScript and JavaScript. But yeah, just this is all. Create a TS config and set compiler. Oh, I need to install now. Oh yeah. Okay. Oops. Okay. Just config compiler option that plugins to this. Okay. I don't think so. I'm using TS Go. There is a high chance this won't work. I don't think plugins are still implemented in here, but let's see. Yeah, of course. Computed goals. Let me see if this generated anything. Yeah, okay, perfect. We have the. Oh wow. But where is my. The funny thing is, I don't see the types generated in the uh, I guess this would be array of. I think this way it's easy to write. Array of objects. And there is a row and y. So I think we can say row of we can say sum of a and this will call it. Oh, so we already know the ID. So we just need to directly inject the cell everywhere. And here it will be the row. See if this worked. Oh. Oh wow, insane. Okay, that worked. I think they are implementing async iterator, sorry, the iterator because this will have the Gleam time. Yeah. But prototype implements the iterator. Yeah, this implements iterator, so that's why you can still. Yep. So all the array stuff will continue to work. That's insane. But I still don't know why. Maybe if I use. Uh, TS code. I think I can just disable and hopefully this will work. Let me see. Oh, why is that still not working? Do I have to like? I don't think this is the way. There is definitely something missing. Uh, hmm. Ooh. Now I'm getting sleepy also. But isn't that stupid? I have done the exact same. Why is it not working for me? Where is my... I, I don't understand. Where are the types? Uh, is that the latest version now? I'm damn sure 1.14. Oh yeah, that's the latest. Okay. How come? So where are the types? I don't know what's happening. Mm. What am I doing wrong? Okay, it's all right, I guess. We can't do anything, so let's not uh, get distracted, I guess. Right. Uh, our goal is to work on this. Yeah. Okay, which is going pretty well, I guess. Right. We have. Oh, wait. Why is the ID 3? Should I click with the entire thing? How the hell? Uh, joins many string together with. Oh, super. Hey, supposed to be a row, man, not a column. But why is it rendering like that? Oh, fuck. Sorry. This, I am so stupid. Yeah. Now it looks fine. Yeah. Perfect. I guess we need to, uh, I guess calling them cell is kind of weird. But that's fine, I guess. I forgot also how do you do CSS content data. There are so many things we forget, man. Like it's just so stupid that we remember stuff like unless we really remember stuff. Oh, that was weird as hell. Uh, okay, we have something now that kind of uh, right, and we need to put a color. Let's do this. Let's do. Okay, this is fine. Cool. So, so we have the board rendered after like some. I don't know how much time. Yeah, that is so stupid. But okay, at least it's rendering. Now. Hey, hey, the type started working somehow. I don't know how the hell that doesn't work. That's insane. I don't know how. Oh wow, super insane. How did it work? Amazing. Okay. So we got the board. Board is kind of working. Next is we need to put pieces. So let's do it. PIECE. So there will be few things here. Uh, so first we'll do so there are multiple things that we need to do here. For example, the like there are two nights, right? We have to say like which number night is this, right? So that is there. I'm thinking how do we actually uh so we can say like night. What do we have? We have king, we have queen, we have all of them. We have king, we have queen, we have bishop L, we have this R, we have knight L, we have knight R, we have rook L, rook R, we have uh, impatience, right? Is that it? What else we have? We have rook, king, queen, bishop, knight, and pawn. And there are 8. Perfect. I think we can statically type it even. That would be like ultra turbo, but I guess int is okay. Should be good enough. Okay, so we have to do kind, which is this color. I don't know why do we need color. Do we need color? I think we need the current position. And here comes the tricky part because the position has to be all known. Wait, for now we'll do string. Or like ideally it should be different, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so we have this. Now we have to do uh, oh yeah, fuck, I just remembered. Why do we need color? Uh, uh, Black. I think first is color, that's paramount first. Okay, so we have both the colors, then we need to say function, sorry, render white, no white. Uh, so, so this is what we need to. Oh my God! I know. The more I write, I realize the Gleam is the best uh, thing to write this with. Oh, I have done this one mistake though. Colors are too. It's for 8 day, 1 day. So this is. Oh, perfect. This looks now it looks very close to what a chessboard would look like this. Now if you are black, sorry, I mean the piece is dark, not black. Uh, so the starting would be I think we can branch it like here because with everything can be reused. Ah, maybe we can just do a map input. Oh, okay, we'll do brute force now. We'll write better code for it. Okay. So king for dark would be there. That is E, so that would be 1 E. That would be once. Okay, I think for black we have everything. For white also, we need to. So for white, oh crap. Oh, right, it hate. Oh yeah, rook right at 8h. Yeah, just flip it. And here instead of 2, everything would be this. Uh, yep, this works. So rook right is that, rook left is 8a, perfect. Yeah, super. Amazing, this works. I think saying, I don't know if that can cause an issue. Okay, we'll see. Because my point is this might backfire a lot. Uh, oh, we have to. Range is from 1 to 8. I don't know if range is. Oh, nice. Oh, oh, that's cool. So, which means we can. Uh, What the fuck? This doesn't make any sense. Why would you have this? So weird because like prepend doesn't take an array. So, but why? We'll question the library, sorry, the language later. Yes. So now we have the pointers. Now let's. I think we really need to do this. We need to uh, specify the DOM methods here. Okay, let's see if this works. Uh, and here, can we get this? Uh, wait, can't we do like this? Okay, perfect. So what we need to do here is for this. I don't know how would you not use this though. Yeah, there is a way, there is a way, there is a way. That would be function. I forgot. How do you do extract again? So what's the time? Oh my god, it's already 2. So, Arrows, foreign. External. External. I think this is what I need. Super. So that would be external JavaScript and if Hmm. Okay. But if query works, then you need to just do HTML. Uh, uh, oh. Hmm. I don't know if it works though. How do we know? Int float string bit array list is line tuple. Ah, I think we can just do object.from entries. I guess that will work. I don't think this will be bad. Yeah. But the problem is, how do we do this interrupt properly? I have a question. Can I do something like this? Oh, I have to sleep. I think the project, I mean, not the project as in the experiment was definitely not successful, but I think we made good progress. Yeah. Uh, we should like end it on a high note, I guess, right? But I think instead of doing this gymnastics, it's better we accept, list. So that way it's easier for us to reason about, which is instead of saying it's a bit here, you can just say it's a list of uh, this, which makes it easy because when we pass here, it becomes easier to process, right? If I go to oh, where did that go? Ah, so now this makes it very easy to figure out because it's just a list, right? Like it's an array. So but I think that's still a problem because we need to figure out like I don't know how do we do the reflection in runtime. That's a problem. Okay. We'll see. Yeah, I think this makes a lot of sense now. Because the problem is the types are just way too different, which makes it very tricky. Uh, eh, uh, Where is the spelling though? Expected type array dot array found type that, but I have changed it already. Uh, oh, oh yeah, super. Now it makes much more sense because we can do uh, this, right? And here we can just say if uh, array dot is array attributes is object. Simple, right? And then here as well in so makes it easy because so oh, oops. And now it's making a lot more sense because the types are now. Oh, I don't know how I forgot about this. So which means now we can technically render from here itself. I mean, technically speaking. Let me see. I don't need compute. We need pop render. Also, why we don't even need that because we can because we have all this now. That would be this will actually be a list of uh, would it be oh yeah yeah correct. So that would be array so here uh, hmm. Okay, it's better if we keep I don't know why there is no push. Like there is prepend, but append looks stupid. What's the text? Actually, you know what? I'm going to sleep. I think I'll probably get it done tomorrow. Anyways, thank you so much. Thank you. And see you later. Bye bye.